Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious stewed chicken and rice. Start by gathering your ingredients for a truly flavorful meal. First, we will marinate our chicken pieces, about 2 pounds, with a blend of fresh herbs and spices for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for deeper flavor. Then, we will brown the chicken in a hot pot, creating a beautiful, rich color and developing a foundational flavor for our stew. This initial step is crucial for a truly flavorful dish. After browning the chicken, remove it and sauté your aromatic vegetables, such as 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper, in the same pot until they are softened and fragrant. Next, deglaze the pot with about 1 cup of chicken broth or water, scraping up all those flavorful bits from the bottom. Then, add your diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and additional seasonings to build the stew's rich base. Now, return the browned chicken pieces to the pot, ensuring they are submerged in the flavorful stew liquid. Let it simmer gently for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the chicken is incredibly tender and easily pulls from the bone. While the chicken simmers, you can prepare your rice. You can cook 2 cups of rice separately or, if preferred, add it directly to the stew for a one-pot meal, adjusting the liquid accordingly. As your stewed chicken finishes cooking, taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, ensuring the flavors are perfectly balanced. You might add a pinch more salt or a dash of hot sauce. If you cook the rice separately, fluff it gently with a fork. Serve the tender stewed chicken generously over a bed of fluffy rice. Garnish with fresh chopped cilantro or parsley for a vibrant finish. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.